I'm gonna show you how you can quickly clean your fireplace glass. As you can see, this one is pretty dirty, and actually the same will apply to the oven or any other glass that is under effect of the fire. And I will open this one. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, as I said, and cleaning it with just water or soap water is not a good idea. First of all, it doesn't clean well, and the second thing is that if you clean it with a soap water, the next time you will make a fire, it will become even greasier than it is now. And the best thing that I found is this AG. It's written in the Latvian, but well, basically it is Fireplace glass cleaner, and I've put the links in the description and also in the pinned comment where you can buy this in Amazon. So let's try it on. It sprays just as a foam and don't need to put too much, like this. Then let me grab the towel. Then the first thing that I do, you see it already goes off, but I basically just spread evenly across the glass to make sure that it's literally in all the places, like this. And then you just leave it for just a couple of minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, that will be enough. And then we'll come back with our paper towel and see how it works. Okay, so let's try to clean it. We have just a paper towel, and there we go. Just wipe it down, and as you can see, it cleans perfectly. Even those hard spots, probably will have to work a little bit more here, but I want to use both of my hands, so let me get back after a second, but you can see that this is basically already clean. And this is how clean we got it after the first round, so the thing definitely works. I do recommend. Again, link in the description, and good luck with the cleaning.